Ultrasonic inspection is critical. The sensors fire precise blue pulses through the water, scanning the jet engine billets for imperfections. The honeycomb design is crucial for dampening the low-frequency fan noise. Once secured, these liners ensure a quieter flight.
At thousands of RPM, the balancing machine detects microscopic vibrations. The laser sensors feed the depth.
Securing the oil lines requires precision, utilizing the digital torque wrench to ensure accurate readings and a perfect seal.
Once the precise torque is achieved, the green pass light confirms the successful installation of the fan hub.
Okay, easy now. Watch the clearance.
Looking good. Pins engaged and locked.
The soundproof chamber allows engineers to measure the acoustic signature of the engine as it spools up to full thrust. Watch as the high-powered laser sweeps across the jet engine casing, vaporizing years of grime instantly.
The anti-ice system activates, demonstrating the rapid thermal transition required for certification as the ice sublimates instantly.
There it is, Sector 4, just past the third blade.
I see the indication. Let's log the coordinates and zoom in closer.
These sensors feed directly into the main control unit, ensuring immediate response in case of thermal events.
There it is, 151 kilograms exactly.
Excellent. The center of gravity is confirmed. Tighten that strap on the bottom right.
Okay, that should hold it. Is the exhaust secure?
Yeah, just checked it.
She's centered, lock her down.
Engaging forward restraints now. Secured.
Increase power.
Power stable at 90%. Sync checked.
As you can see, the FedDeck diagnostics confirm a perfect overlay.
That's a significant improvement in efficiency.
It is our distinct pleasure to hand over the key to this magnificent aircraft.
Thank you. We are honored to accept it into our fleet.
As the probe glides across the titanium, the flat waveform confirms zero fatigue or cracking in the turbine disc.
We are increasing throttle. Approaching maximum continuous thrust. All parameters are in the green.
A look inside the strategic spare warehouse, home to a massive inventory of commercial jet engines.